Hi everyone. By now we have finished the chapter of differentiation. This video is a summary of the whole chapter. So as you can see in this mind map, this chapter of differentiation consists of a few subtopics. Okay, so we started with the meaning of differentiation. Then we have differentiation techniques. We look at the differentiation of exponential function, differentiation of trigonometric function, application of differentiation, and we also talk about second order differentiation and concavity. When we started this chapter, we started by looking at the meaning of differentiation that talk about how differentiation came about. We look at the idea of limit, whereby we explore the concept of a tangent to a curve and its relation to differentiation. From there, we learn how to use first principle to do differentiation. Next, we did some revision on differentiation techniques. Okay, so under this subtopic, we review some of the techniques used to do differentiation. Okay, so majority of you have learned this differentiation technique in high school. Okay, then after that, we learn product rule, quotient rule, and chain rule. Okay, by now you all already very familiar with product rule, quotient rule, and chain rule. Okay, then we also learn how to differentiate exponential function. We started by doing an investigation to investigate the limit of e power h minus 1 divided by h when h approaching 0. And we know that the limit is 1. Following that investigation, we learn how to differentiate e power x and e power fx. Okay, so this is what we learned. Okay, then relevant to differentiation of exponential function, we also learn how to solve practical problem involve exponential growth and exponential decay. Under exponential growth and exponential decay, we came across a very special equation. That equation is a equal to a naught times e power kt. Okay, so if we have that equation, we can, by differentiating a with respect to t, we can have dA dt, and dA dt is equals to ka. Okay, so if this is given, we can say a is equals to a naught times e power kt. Okay, by using this equation, so we can solve practical problem. Next, we learn about differentiation of trigonometric function. Okay, so we did another investigation, and based on that investigation, we proved that the derivative of sine x is equals to cosine x, and the derivative of cosine x is equivalent to negative sine x. So following that lesson, we learn how to solve practical problem involve trigonometric function.